guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I tell you what we're going to do, please like to this video, subscribe to my channel, hit notifications button to see when my videos come on, and also share my videos so other people can see it and watch it. Thank you for doing this. Okay, so today I'm going to color my flower space. Like, I already love my flowers, but I want to beautify them even more. So I'm going to color this space, and I'm going to put the papers in. So here are my ideas. It's this pretty one with birds and flowers, and there's also a very pretty, an extremely pretty butterfly. And then there's this one with a bunch of animals and flowers, and I really like that one too. And I really like both of them, but I think I'm gonna do this one. So let's get started. So let's see how I'm gonna color this. I'm going to make one of my. So I'm going to color this flower first. I'm going to make the leaves pink and purple because I like those colors. Is this purple? Yeah, I think it's purple. I really like how it's turning out so far, even though I just started. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. I think it's gonna look amazing because I think that with a little bit of drawing added to my flowers, it will look really nice. And I like this butterfly in the middle. It looks really, like, it stands out a lot. And I want to beautify my flowers even more, and I actually really like drawing, so I'm really going to like this experience. I just know. And I think I'm gonna put some orange in the middle if we have any. So here's how the first flower's looking. Let's color these things. And I'm going to, I need to pick yellow. That's a good idea. Okay, so I decided to use markers on the drawing now because, like, markers are, like, so pretty. They're just gonna, like, pop out my drawing. And I want my drawing to pop out so the flowers can pop out too and people will really like it. So I'm gonna start using the markers. Let's get drawing. I just finished drawing both of them. So here's the first one. I really like it. It's full of like birds and flowers, and there's grass on the floor, which I like grass. And I like how it's full of color. I also love color. And there's also, in the second one, like I was talking about before, this beautiful butterfly. There's also a beautiful butterfly in the middle, and there's an assortment of flowers, and I really like this one too. So let's place them in. So I want to put this one in this, since I really like the pink in here, and there's also pink in this one, so I like it. And so, and I want to put this one in this one. So yeah. So I'm going to be a neat girl. I'm going to put my colors away. Put the pencil away. I nearly fell. Okay, so now that I'm done putting my colored pencils away, I'm going to start choosing where to put it. So obviously here, I really like this flower because it's full of like big flowers, and like this one I really like. I like orange, and this is like a really pretty flower, so I really like it too. And so okay, now that I planned where I'm going to put them, I'm going to put them in. First, this pretty plant. So now that I'm done planning what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the pictures in. So first, this little pretty plant. Look, it looks so amazing. And then I'm going to put it back. Oh, I love it. It looks so amazing. Look. And now this one. Look, it can be opened. When it's opened, it looks like a cup. Okay, so now let me put this beautiful plant in, because everything's beautiful. Now they look so amazing. Now my plants are gonna look amazing when I put them next to the window. Everyone's gonna like it. I think like when someone goes in my house, they're going to be like, ooh, nice plants, and I'm gonna be like, thank you. I drew it myself. I really like these plants. Comment down below if you do too. Okay, and you can do it as well. And you could do this as well. Even if your plant pot can't open like this, you can just like use the materials around your house like glue and tape, and you can like draw a drawing, and then you could like glue or tape it on your pot. But if you're gonna glue it, I recommend to use the stick glue, because if you use liquid glue, it's gonna get pretty messy. And I hope you liked today's video, and remember to subscribe, like to my video, and also hit notifications so you can see when I upload again, and also share my videos so other people can see my amazing videos. Bye guys, see you next time.